This video will show you how to install a First Alert hardwired alarm. Inside the box, you'll find the alarm, the Easy Fit mounting plate, the mounting bracket, a power connector, batteries, screws, and the user manual. Additional materials needed, which are not included in the box, are a pair of needle nose pliers, a standard flathead screwdriver, wire strippers, and a pin. We also suggest using a non-contact voltage tester to confirm the power is off before handling any wiring. You will also need a sturdy ladder tall enough for installation. Before getting started, shut off the power at the circuit breaker in the area where you are installing the new alarm, and use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm the power is off. If it does not beep or light up, it is safe to proceed. If you are replacing a non-First Alert alarm, you will need to rewire the power connector. If any new or additional electrical work is required, or if you are unsure, contact a licensed electrician. Start by connecting the hot wire from the junction box to the black wire on the supplied wire harness using a wire nut. The hot wire is usually black. Connect the white wire from the junction box to the white wire on the wire harness using a wire nut. The neutral wire is usually white. If you want this alarm to sound the other alarms in the system when smoke is detected, connect the orange wire from the junction box to the orange interconnect wire on the harness using a wire nut. Gently tug each wire nut to confirm the connections are secure, then fold the wires neatly into the junction box. Next, using the supplied screws and your screwdriver, secure the mounting bracket to the junction box. Make sure it is flush with the ceiling or wall. Always install the bracket supplied with the new alarm. Older brackets will not align or lock properly, impeding smoke flow. Next, plug in the power connector to the back of the alarm and lift the wires into the junction box. Align the alarm with the mounting bracket and rotate clockwise until it locks firmly in place. On removable battery models, remove the plastic tab and make sure the batteries are correctly in place. On sealed battery models, pull the activation tab on the top of the alarm. Turn the circuit breaker back on. If the green LED light indicator illuminates, then the detector is receiving power. Once mounted, test the alarm to verify proper operation by pushing the test button. For smoke, you'll hear a 3-beep sequence, a short pause, and then the same 3-beep sequence again. For carbon monoxide, the alarm will produce 4 beeps, followed by a pause, and then repeat the 4-beep sequence. Testing confirms both the sensor and horn are functioning correctly. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit First Alert Support Resources. Thanks for watching.